My name is Varun. I work as a math faculty in Narayana. So today I'm going to be discussing 21st mains paper morning slot. Initial questions seem to be easy, but overall opinion seems to be like moderate to difficult max. Let us do the questions, we'll have an idea of it. So the first question is from trigonometry. The value of cosecant 10 minus root 3 times of secant 10. 1 by sine 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. I'll cross multiply it. I'll get this as cos 10 minus root 3 sine 10 by sine 10 cos 10. So the numerator I'll multiply it by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 2 times of 1 by 2 I'll write it as sine 30 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 is cos 30 sine 10 by sine 20 by 2. So the numerator is now 2 by into 1 by 2. I'll get it as 4 into sine of a minus b sine 20 by sine 20. The result will be 4.
Share this with your friends and on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to the Narayana Group for daily solutions and complete JEE updates.